Hey guys, so in a previous video I showed you my new upgraded refrigerator and I showed you how I could bring it inside and outside, and it has this nice carrying case, and I told you I'd follow up when I get that battery pack for this little thing, and today I got that battery pack and let me show you what it's going to look like in the refrigerator. Alright, so I'll show you what it comes with. And the main thing it comes with is this battery pack right here. This is that, same brand, BougeRV, as the refrigerator. But you know what? You could use this for other refrigerators too if you just want to use this portable battery pack. There's no reason why it's not compatible with other refrigerators because it just uses, the cigarette lighter accessory. Plugs it in here, but you could see it's a battery pack too. You could plug in your USB-A, USB-C. Here's your input power, and there's even a little flashlight. So this is a handy little device. It is 130 watts. So this little pack, 130 watts. So you could think of it as a mini power station. So you could charge it with your cigarette lighter, or you could charge it with the AC adapter it comes with. I labeled mine so I don't get it confused. Um, but it comes with this short cigarette lighter adapter, which is going to be key for what we're going to do, and this little pad. Let me show you the pad and what it does. So in here, in that little storage case where you could put drinks or whatever you like. All right, so it comes with this pad, and this pad, uh, you could still use it as a, take these middle things out, you could still use it as your cup holder, and it gives you that. Just put it in there like that. Take a look, that's what it looks like. So, but now you got this battery pack, and this battery pack, you want this to face the back. You can open that up, and you take this guy right here, and you could access that battery port. Plug it in, and then plug it into your refrigerator, and basically now you have a mobile refrigerator that's powered. This is not. This is many steps above just a portable cooler. This is a refrigerator, and it stays. I think it's the manufacturer says it goes for maybe 6 hours on this battery pack. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so when you turn on the battery, there's this nice little display that tells you how much input you're getting, output, and percentage of the battery that you have left. So that'll tell you how much runtime you have on your refrigerator. So that's fantastic too. So it's 130 watts. You don't need to use it for this refrigerator. You could use it for any refrigerator, or you don't even have to use it for a refrigerator at all. You could use it as a little mobile battery, 130 watt power station. So that's fantastic. It's very flexible. Fits perfect inside of this refrigerator, because not all refrigerators come with this nice pack. But anyway, so I promised you guys that I'd follow up when I get this battery pack, and there it is. So now I could be inside the car, outside the car, but I'll have a refrigerator.